In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Grammarly. Whether you're looking to take a break from grammar suggestions or you simply need a clearer view without the underlines, this tutorial will guide you through this straightforward process. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to have a document open. This can be any document you're currently working on. If you prefer, you can be in a web browser window. Grammarly integrates with both, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. Having a document open helps because it allows you to see the Grammarly suggestions in real time and make sure that the feature is active before you disable it. Now locate the Grammarly icon. This is typically found in the lower right corner of your document or your browser window. It's small and easy to miss, but once you see it, give it a click. This icon serves as your direct access point to all of Grammarly's settings and controls, so getting familiar with it is pretty handy. Once you've clicked on the Grammarly icon, you'll notice a menu pop up. Look for the power button within this menu. It resembles a standard power icon you might find on electronics, so it should be instantly recognizable. Click on this power button, which controls the immediate activation state of Grammarly for your current session. Next, you'll find the option to select Turn off Grammarly. Click on it. This action will deactivate Grammarly's functions in the document or browser you're working with. It's important to note that this won't uninstall Grammarly or permanently disable it. Rather, it's just a temporary switch off. If you're using a web browser with the Grammarly extension installed, there's another quick method to achieve this. Head over to your browser's toolbar and click on the Grammarly extension icon. This is a quick way to control Grammarly across all tabs and web pages that are open, giving you more broad control if you're using multiple sites. Once you've accessed the extension, look for the toggle switch labelled for browser-wide activation. By clicking this toggle off, you effectively disable Grammarly across all your browsing activities until you choose to reactivate it. This is particularly useful if you're working on multiple projects or browsing various websites simultaneously and need to keep Grammarly quiet for a while. And that's all there is to it. Whether you've turned off Grammarly via the document icon or through the browser extension, you now have the know-how to control when you want to see those grammar suggestions and when you prefer they stay hidden. Feel free to reactivate Grammarly anytime you need a bit more guidance in your writing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been